Welcome to the Animal Equation, where we decode the untamed world, one species at a time. Today, we plunge into the chilling depths to meet the ocean's most iconic predator, the great white shark. The great white shark, scientifically known as Carcharodon carcharias, is one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring creatures ever to inhabit the Earth's oceans. Revered, feared, and often misunderstood, the great white has become an icon of the sea, etched into human consciousness through science, myth, and media. But beyond the fearsome imagery lies a creature of deep biological complexity, whose existence is integral to the balance of marine ecosystems. This episode of the Animal Equation provides a comprehensive exploration of the great white shark, delving into its impressive size, diverse habitats, precise diet, and extensive lifespan. During this episode, we will peel back the layers of mystery to reveal the shark is both a masterful predator and a keystone species in the ocean's intricate web of life. To begin with, the physical size and design of the great white shark deserve thorough consideration. At birth, newborn great white pups measure between 4 to 5 feet in length, already formidable in the world of marine predators. They emerge from their mother fully independent, equipped with a set of sharp teeth and innate hunting instincts. As they grow, the differences between male and female sharks become more pronounced, with females typically outgrowing their male counterparts. Males generally reach lengths of 11 to 13 feet, while females can grow substantially larger, often measuring 15 to 16 feet. In rare and exceptional cases, individual great whites have been recorded at lengths exceeding 20 feet and weights estimated beyond 5,000 pounds. Their bodies are torpedo-shaped, designed for speed and stealth, with a muscular build and a powerful crescent-shaped tail that propels them through the water with astonishing force. The shark's iconic dorsal fin acts as a stabilizer, while its pectoral fins aid in steering and lift. Their size is matched by an internal biology honed for dominance. Great whites possess a complex musculature system, including red muscle that supports cruising and endurance swimming, and white muscle responsible for short bursts of speed. These sharks can reach swimming speeds of up to 25 miles per hour in pursuit of prey. Unlike most fish, the great white is warm-bodied, allowing for more agile and energetic movements in colder waters. Teeth are a defining feature. Great whites are equipped with up to 300 serrated teeth arranged in multiple rows. As older teeth fall out, new ones move forward like conveyor belts. Throughout its life, a single great white may cycle through thousands of teeth. Their sensory systems are also nothing short of remarkable. They can detect vibrations from struggling prey through a specialized lateral line, and their keen sense of smell allows them to detect a single drop of blood in 10 billion parts of water. Even more fascinating is their ability to sense the bioelectric fields generated by the muscle movements of other animals through electroreceptors, called ampullae of Lorenzini. This sensory toolkit enables them to locate hidden prey, such as fish buried beneath the sand. Their eyes, adapted for low-light conditions, provide clear vision in the murky depths, further enhancing their role as apex predators. Everything about their size and physiology makes them apex predators without equal. Moving from physiology to geography, the great white shark's habitat spans an extraordinary range. These animals are truly global in their distribution, found in the coastal and offshore waters of nearly every ocean. They prefer temperate seas, particularly those ranging in temperature from 54 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, although sightings have occurred in both colder and warmer waters. The great white is a highly migratory species, capable of traversing vast distances across entire ocean basins. Notable hotspots include the coasts of South Africa, southern Australia, New Zealand, California, and Mexico's Baja Peninsula. The Mediterranean Sea, while lesser known, also supports a remnant population of great whites. Tagged sharks have revealed remarkable migratory patterns. One female, nicknamed Nicole, was tracked swimming from South Africa to Australia and back again, a round trip of over 12,000 miles. Another mysterious destination in the Pacific, known as the White Shark Cafe, sees regular seasonal visitation by sharks traveling from the California coast. The reasons behind these migrations remain partially understood. It is believed that they relate to mating, foraging, or even social interactions. Great whites have been known to dive to depths of nearly 4,000 feet, suggesting that their lives extend far beyond the visible surface and into the ocean's twilight zone. In shallower waters, juveniles often reside in coastal nurseries, which provide relative safety and abundant prey. The diet of the great white shark is as adaptable as it is lethal. These sharks are obligate carnivores and display a shift in dietary preferences as they mature. Young sharks primarily feed on fish, rays, and smaller sharks. As they grow older and larger, they shift toward more energy-dense prey. Adult great whites are known for their preference for marine mammals, including seals, sea lions, dolphins, and even small whales. Their feeding strategies are a combination of speed, surprise, and surgical precision. Often, they approach prey from below, using the sun-dappled surface to conceal their ascent. With explosive force, they strike their target, frequently breaching the water entirely in spectacular fashion. These ambush attacks are particularly effective against seals, and are most commonly observed in seal-rich environments, like South Africa's False Bay or California's Farallon Islands. Beyond active hunting, great whites are also proficient scavengers. They readily feed on whale carcasses and other dead marine animals, making use of every available opportunity to gain nourishment. Their teeth, serrated and triangular, are designed to tear through flesh and bone alike. A great white may consume over 20 pounds of food in a single meal. However, they do not eat every day. Their metabolism allows them to go days or even weeks between large meals, and they may fast when prey is scarce. Their digestive system, while efficient, is relatively slow, allowing the shark to extract maximum energy from each feeding event. Some great whites exhibit learned behaviors, returning annually to specific feeding grounds, suggesting a level of cognitive function and memory once thought improbable in fish. The final segment of today's episode focuses on the great white shark's lifespan and reproductive cycle, which reveal a species evolved for longevity but vulnerable to disruption. Great whites are ovoviviparous, meaning that embryos develop inside eggs within the mother's uterus and are born live. Gestation is believed to last between 11 and 18 months, though exact durations remain uncertain. A single litter may contain anywhere from 2 to 14 pups, each emerging fully formed and capable of independent survival. Intriguingly, great whites are known to practice intrauterine cannibalism, where the more developed embryos consume their less developed siblings or unfertilized eggs, a brutal but effective strategy that ensures only the strongest survive to birth. Once born, the juvenile sharks seek refuge in shallow coastal areas where they are less likely to fall prey to larger predators, including other sharks. These nursery zones offer abundant food sources and protection as the pups grow. However, the road to maturity is long. Males do not reach reproductive maturity until around 26 years of age, while females may not become reproductively viable until their early to mid-30s. This extremely slow maturation rate, combined with low reproductive frequency, makes population recovery from decline a significant challenge. As a result, the great white shark is highly susceptible to pressures from overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change. Lifespan estimates for great whites have dramatically increased in recent years, thanks to advances in radiocarbon dating and vertebral ring analysis. While once believed to live just 20 to 30 years, current research suggests that great whites can live to 70 years or more, with some possibly exceeding 80. This longevity positions them as one of the longest-living cartilaginous fish species. Throughout their long lives, great whites play a crucial ecological role. As apex predators, they regulate populations of seals, dolphins, and other mid-level predators, thereby maintaining balance within marine food webs. Their presence indirectly supports the health of fish stocks and even reef ecosystems, through a phenomenon known as trophic cascade. In conclusion, the great white shark stands as a sentinel of the sea, both feared and admired for its strength, grace, and intelligence. It is a creature of extraordinary adaptation, capable of traveling entire oceans, thriving in diverse habitats, and navigating life with a blend of raw power and refined senses. Its diet reflects both ferocity and flexibility, and its life cycle, though slow and vulnerable, exemplifies the resilience of nature. As we continue to study and protect this magnificent animal, we gain not only insights into its survival, but also a deeper appreciation for the complex and interconnected world beneath the waves. The great white shark is not merely a symbol of the wild ocean, it is a vital force within it, deserving of our understanding, respect, and conservation. Thanks for watching The Animal Equation. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks great white sharks are man-eaters, constantly hunting humans. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which wild story we should unravel next. Until next time, stay wild.